Beloved, sense my liberating aurora. The dim twilight of fear tries to hold you in shadow, but my aurora will illuminate your spirit and bring forth a dawn of radiant hope. My love is a shimmering light, dispelling every darkness and revealing your path with vibrant color. My power is a liberating radiance, breaking every chain of shadow and leading you into a new era of radiant liberation. Release the dim twilight of fear. Embrace the freedom of my liberating aurora. I have prepared a path of radiant liberation and vibrant hope, even when the world feels shadowy. When doubts question your future, remember my liberating aurora, a source of radiant hope in every moment. You are never in shadow. My liberating aurora surrounds you. Let us pray. O liberating aurora, when fear's twilight threatens, illuminate my spirit with your radiance and bring forth a dawn of radiant hope. Remind me that your aurora is liberating and your love a source of vibrant hope. Grant me the courage to walk into your aurora and embrace radiant liberation. Amen. Breathe deeply, knowing my liberating aurora illuminates your spirit and brings forth radiant hope.